Numbers are everywhere. We form the alarm that wakes us to score the marks in the exam. Today, let us explore the numbers and their exciting types.
Numbers help us count, compare, calculate. But did you know that numbers are classified into different types based on their properties? Let us understand them. Meet the number family. Natural numbers. I am natural numbers. I start from 1 and go on easily to 1, 2 and 3. I help you count objects. Whole number. I am a whole number. I include 0 along with natural numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. I am an integers. I include positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Example -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, etc. Even number. I am divisible by 2. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Odd number. I am an odd number. I am not divisible by 2. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Prime number. I am a prime number. I have 2 factors, 1 and myself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Composite number. I am a composite number. I have more than 2 factors. Example 4, 6, 8, etc. Now I request Trupti to ask a simple quiz on different numbers. Good morning everyone. My name is Trupti. Now I am going to ask a simple quiz about numbers. If you know the answer, then raise up your hand. Question number 1. A 0 is a natural number.
Allowed.
Correct answer. Question number 2. A 1 is a even number. No. Correct answer. Question number 3. What comes after -1? No, it is wrong answer. After -1 is come -2. Question number 4. A 2 is a prime number. Correct answer. Thank you friends for listening and giving the answer of my question. Thank you Trupti for asking a simple quiz on numbers.
Different numbers. Different numbers have different rules, but together when they form foundation of mathematics, just like people in society.
Numbers are not just symbols in the textbook. They help us count, compare, measure and succeed. Thank you. Have a wonderful